Looking for a trusted locksmith and door expert you can rely on? Welcome to JD Locksmith and Doors LLC, proudly serving Washington, D.C. and Maryland with reliable, high-quality locksmith and door services. With 15 years of experience, we offer commercial and residential locksmith services, door installation, door repair, Locksmith Repair, Automotive Locksmith services. Ready to secure your property or upgrade your doors? Call 301-313-9046 or visit jdlocksmithanddoorslllc.com to learn more and schedule your service today. JD Locksmith and Doors LLC, your security, our commitment. Let's get started.